Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. This is a short one and it's just showing you guys some of the stickers that we have just released for our January collection. So these are coordinating with our printable kit, so you can buy them to go with that or just for fun. I'm going to just show you the up close, show you the materials and all of that. We love releasing these for you guys. They are so fun. One page of just the circles. This one has been actually surprisingly one of my favorite sheets from the whole thing. It's a washi material, so it's like semi-transparent. I can show you guys what it would look like on a blank piece of paper for an example here. Let's take just this one. And this is also a washi material, so same thing here. But it's great because when you put it on a white background, the white disappears and you're left with this really antique, vintage looking pieces of tape. So those have been some of my favorites. They're the washi material. Here are the bird postcards. I love these ones because they just have a lot of detail and they're big. Big stickers are really handy for junk journaling. Next we have some ephemera pieces. So cute. We also have two clear sheets. One is just this kind of little botanical pieces, and then the other one has these really amazing fussy cut style pieces of I don't know what we really want to call it, but there's birds, butterflies, and just some of our favorite things that match with the January collection. These are really fun, so I'll show you guys an example of these ones. These ones have a little bit of a sheen to them. They're pretty shiny, but they're really beautiful. These are semi-transparent, and then most of the other ones in this kit are completely opaque. So we have journal, words, keys, and these gorgeous letters. And the letters are just in these rectangular shapes. Really fun. Lovely kit, to be honest. I just love creating with stickers. I love having them. They're just easy to use. So just some examples here. But anyways, I just wanted to show you guys those. I'll have those linked in the description of this video for you guys if you want to check them out. They have been really, really fun, and I'm excited to continue to try some fun things with them. So I'll have those linked. Make sure to especially check out the digital kit as well. 55 pages, I want to say, of printable kits and pages perfect for junk journaling, paper crafting, etc. Alright, that is it. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.